This is a 2008 LS3 Corvette engine with 32,000 miles. It has the 821 cylinder heads on it with the hollow stem valves, the 430 horsepower. It's non-VVT. It is a 2008 Corvette engine. I have a 6L90 coupled to it simply to help simplify mounting it on my engine stand, my test stand. As you can see, the drive-by-wire gas pedal is mounted and in place, and it's all wired up to work. We have a wideband installed, and this island is perfect. I'm going to give you a shot here of the EFI Live dashboard. You can see that it's idling on 30 to 36 pounds of oil pressure. Water temperature is 154 degrees. Air-fuel ratio 14.81. And the tachometer ranging from, 550 to 650. So, you can see that the trims are down just perfect. This is a test stand that I built in my shop, a Lloyd's Performance Parts, solely for the purpose of running and testing engines that I buy. This particular engine I bought is a long block, and I outfitted it with a takeoff LS3 intake manifold. The exhaust manifolds stay with my engine stand. They have my O2 sensors and widebands mounted in them for the purpose of my test stand. So they're not going to be released with it. This is a great engine, and it is for sale. I build LS7 engines. I do a lot of LY6. The LY6 is probably dollar for dollar one of the best engine packages that there is. But this is a 6.2 liter 2008 Corvette engine again. Cylinder heads are the 821 cylinder head. This is a shot of the vacuum gauge. As you can see, it's idling steady on 20 inches of vacuum. All the sensors are in place. This engine will come with a complete wiring harness, uncut. It's got a new water pump, new tensioners, new idler pulleys, new 90mm throttle body, new damper, and new idler pulleys, and a new LS7 Corvette power steering pump, the 140 amp alternator, Corvette LS7 alternator. So this is a great package, and it is available from my shop, Lloyd's Performance Parts. Again, thank you.